I am actually very happy to see my friends in the Philippine Olympic Committee, my friends from the House of Representatives, yung mga kaibigan ko po na congressman, nandito lahat. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. To all the NSA presidents, good afternoon. Thank you for joining me. Sa lahat po ng mga atleta, coaches, NSA officials, media, to the POC officials and PSC board and commissioners, to Phil Spada, thank you very much. Let me present my work plan and work program in my first 5 days in office. Ito po ang nagawa natin. We had a board meeting this afternoon. And I hope that when you leave this Ninoy Aquino Stadium, you will leave this place cheering and smiling. Let me start. Of course, ang work program po natin nakasalalay sa instruction ng ating mahal na Pangulo, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Noong tayo po ay naatasang maging chairman ng Philippine Sports Commission. Ang sabi po ng Malacanang, number 1, take care of the athletes. Number 2, improve our facilities. And number 3, we want to see a healthy citizenry. What are the key issues? These are the key issues, and I'm sure, and I would like to believe you know them as well. Number 1, sports governance. Sports leaders, as we all are professional managers and organizers to understand the needs, nuances, and potential of sports communities and industries. Sports governance. I assure you, I will govern the Philippine Sports Commission properly and professionally. Number 2, resource management. Resources must strategically be allocated, focused on development rather than rewards. Yes, we all know, successful yung atleta, bigyan ng gantimpala. Pero kailangan yung programa maayos para maging successful yung atleta. Diyan po natin ipaplat yung resource management na yan. Number 3, grassroots that leads to high performance development. Sports development programs needs to be strategic, holistic, and accessible to aid in talent identification. Alam niyo po, ang isang pinaka-importante dito sa grassroots and the high performance development is the development of maybe an app, development of yung technology so that we can easily identify athletes even outside of Metro Manila para matulungan yung mga NSAs para ma-identify kagad sino yung potential na atleta. And let me point this out. I was invited to attend the Palarong Pambansa in Ilocos Norte. And ang realization ko po is that the NSA coaches go there to scout. But there is no direct link. Yesterday, I was in the office of Secretary Sani Angara and nag-usap po kami and we said, pwede bang mas diinan natin at idikit natin yung link between Palarong Pambansa and the NSAs? Idikit po natin yan. Hindi pwedeng the coach is there just to scout. He does not have the list. He does not even have anything. Tinitingnan niya lang yung bawat manlalaro. I experienced that when I saw the training team of Sepak Takraw. And I told the coach, do you have the list? Do you see? No, sir. Pinapanood ko lang. So, sabi ko kay Secretary Angara, i-link na po natin yan, Secretary. Number 4 is sports infrastructure. Alam niyo po, hindi gusto ko lang pong paalam na nakita naman natin yung mga facilities natin. Talagang matagal na, luma na, at tumutulo na. Pumunta po kayo sa Office of the Chairman. Madami-dami na po yung mga pag umuulan, yung mga timba at balde kasi tumutulo. Meaning, we need the help of course, of President Marcos. We need the help of our senators. We need the help of our congressman to please look into these sports facilities. Kasi talaga pong, wala na talaga pong luma na. And maski po yung mga NSA offices and PSC offices, maski po yung POC office sa field sports, talaga pong wala na. Kailangan lang po natin talaga ng tulong rito sa sports infrastructure. Galing po ako sa Baguio this weekend. Nakita ko po yung PSC Baguio, yung dating Gintong Alay. Nilakad ko po yung track oval. Talaga pong crack na. Pumunta po ako sa weights room. Ay nakalagay pa po Gintong Alay. Yung weights room. At talaga pong pag nasugatan ng atleta, kailangan pumunta na sa ospital kasi kailangan magpa-anti-tetanus na. Talaga pong totoo yan. So, baka may mga sponsor dito, baka gusto niyo mag-donate ng bagong weightlifting facility. Pero pagtutunan po natin ang pansin yan. Panghuli po, athletes' welfare. We will support the programs of athletes and enhance to ensure development, continuity, and growth. Yan po pangako ko talaga yan. Because matagal naman po akong NSA SecGen. Matagal naman po akong presidente na ng rowing. Para po sa hindi nakakaalam, ako po ay naging SecGen ng basketball. Ako po ay naging SecGen at Vice President ng boxing. Ako po ay presidente ng rowing. Sa tagal po niyan, siguro kulang-kulang 20 years. So sabi ko nga po, nung ako po ay pumasok sa PSC, sabi ko, lahat siguro ng gustong makausap ako ng NSA, lahat siguro ng gustong mag-courtesy call sa akin, palagi ko, alam ko rin naman kung anong sasabihin nila. Kasi yan rin naman yung naramdaman ko for the longest time. I know what they will tell me, alam ko yung adhikain nila, kaya gawin na natin kaagad. Diba? Para mag-smile na sila.